The world as we know it. So many languages, all these continents, all these countries, they all have a flag representing its country and language. Do you know the best flag, in my opinion? YouTube's. Why? It's one of the most go-to websites that has made the world shrink and more connected. And as long as you have an internet connection, YouTube has made access to entertainment and learning accessible no matter where you are in the world. Did you know that there's currently 108 languages to choose from when watching YouTube? No matter which continent, which country, which city you're in, when watching a YouTube video, I'm sure you'll find that your native language is available, which will help with your viewing. These are some of the languages available at the time of recording, which is November 2020. So how do you watch YouTube videos in your preferred language? Using YouTube's auto translate. So how exactly do you use this auto translate? Well, step one, first of all, you've got to make sure that the video actually has capabilities for you to actually use auto translate. This is what I mean. It may look like this. As long as it's got this or this, without this showing, you will be unable to translate the video into the language of your choice. This shows that the subtitles and closed captions has been activated by the creator of the video. And in this video, because the subtitle caption icon is missing, you will be unable to have a language choice. Here, when we click settings, you will see that the auto translate is missing. And the reason why it's missing is because there is no icon to switch on or switch off the actual subtitles and captions. Step two, now we turn on that captions and subtitles. How do we do this? Continue watching. Even though the CC subtitles icon is showing, when I play the video, there is no language appearing. However, by clicking it and you get this little red underscore, the language is now here, wherever the YouTube video has been recorded in, it will appear here. Again, if I click it off, it's gone. I click it on and it appears. Step three, we now select the language of your choice. How do we do this? Watch on. To get the YouTube video into a language of your preferred option, ensure the subtitles and closed captions is activated. Click on settings, subtitles CC, and at the moment it's off because the red underscore is not showing. As I click English generated, it will appear. And as you can see, if I click the play, it's actually in English. Just click pause a moment. I now would like to see another language. This is what we're looking for, which is auto translate. And a range of languages will appear. 108 at the time of recording, which is November 2020. I'd like to see it in Albanian. Press play. I haven't got the volume on, but I don't speak Albanian. This is what YouTube is saying that is now been translated to in Albanian. Now watch me select another one. I would like to Bangla. Again, is it playing? Yes, it is. Banya. Do again. So translate. Bulgarian. And so forth. And now I'll go back to my native language. Clicking English to translate. And as you can see, it's back to English language. But wait, before you go, would you like a list of the 108 languages? The list is available by clicking the link in this video's description below. For attention, the name YouTube and the logo belong to Google. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Here's some additional bits for you. Do you know there's a way of finding out YouTube's original language? This one's in English, and the reason why it is in English, because if we click settings, you can see subtitles, CC, the original language it was recorded in was in English. It says English auto-generated. YouTube picked up that it was an English language, consequently, it changed the subtitles and CC into the English language. This one's in French, and with this video, even if we didn't have the French language clue, you can always find out by going to see the CC closed caption. That means auto translate is available. Click the settings, subtitles, and we can see that it was originally created in the French language. This one's in Italian, and one more, even if it says Italian language, we can always know CC is available. Click the settings, click subtitles, and you can see that it was originally created in the Italian language. Google picked up that when this video was made, it picked up the language as being Italian. Consequently, it's saying Italian auto-generated. I've got a question for you. Do you think you know the answer? What year was the first YouTube video uploaded? Let's have a look. Now, if you type into YouTube, the first YouTube video, you will come across this 15 years ago. That one's interesting to watch as well. This is what we are going to look at. This is the first ever YouTube. It even says it comes with subtitles. Let's have a look. Okay, remembering the steps. It's got CC, which means the subtitles, closed captions is ready, which means auto translate has been activated by this creator. Again, subtitles, it's in English currently. I'm looking for auto translate. That was a bit quick. I'm going to do auto translate. I've got the range of language. I'm going to have Arabic. Press play. Line is on. Change it. Auto translate. Bangla. Change it back to English for me. And there you go. It was 2005. Find your native language or a language you'd like to watch YouTube in using auto translate. And remember, pick up your copy of this ebook with all the 108 languages in the link below. Enjoy.